everybody. You may notice my lips are not moving because you would never hear me. There is a lot of wind up here right now. I even tried recording some last night. Didn't work. We're up here at the Knott County Trail Ride. It turns out they do allow overnight camping up here now. They've decided to open it back up again for that, and I guess give us another chance. We brought everything up here. We got old Buster, and we got Zephyr, and we even have the four-wheeler. And we're going to do a little bit of four-wheeler riding. Y'all come on along with me, and I promise not to get too wild on that thing. Alright, and we're home again. Well, home for the night anyway. We did spend the night up here last night. The thing was, any film that I tried to film was pretty much unusable because of the wind. It was just pretty bad. Not sure why it was so windy last night, but It was nice staying up here. This is a nice place to overnight camp. If it wasn't for the wind, it'd have been better, but nobody bothered us. There was a couple of people that drove through last night pretty late, but it wasn't too bad. You can see we got a pretty good view. I'll do a slow pan around here and show you what we're working with. As you can see, there's plenty of room to. I mean, you can pretty much park anywhere up here in camp. Just pick you a spot. A lot of places already have little fire rings already built. Somebody's, pretty much just stacked rocks around or something like that. I mean, you can see that, well, besides Zephyr and Buster, there's one other camper out here. You can see right there. And they dropped that camper off yesterday and pretty much just left it sitting there. We couldn't have a fire last night. It's just too windy. I don't think we could have even kept it lit. Anyway. Yep, I went out and picked up all the trash on our campsite. It wasn't too bad. There was a little bit. But I was looking at the grass and thinking that it looks like it's all nice and neat and very well taken care of. They seem to have a mowing crew over here. Get some focus in there. Come on, focus in. Should focus in on it. I think it's got them now. Yep. Right there is the mowing crew. Part of it. There are a lot of those up here. A lot of cows running around. You kind of got to watch where you step. For some reason, I've been craving a hamburger or perhaps a steak. Don't tell them that. But we're getting ready to go do some more riding. Just thought I would show y'all the mowing crew. Okay, we're enjoying our little time out here trying out Zephyr and trying to see what all we need to change. I figured out a couple of things. Now, I took a shower this morning, and although this door does fold out and come out here a little bit, it doesn't block the whole way. Best thing to do here would be to have a curtain to come just like on this side of the refrigerator over to here, and maybe just leave the sink, and that way you got privacy back here, and whoever's up here is kind of separated from you. So that's something else I'm going to have to do. I've found a couple little things, but nothing really major. Everything works pretty good. I just kind of wish it wasn't so windy, because you can't hear me at all on the camera outside. That's why I ended up having to film this part inside, because you can't hear me at all outside. It's just nothing but wind. So I guess that's probably going to about do it for this video. I appreciate everybody watching. See y'all on the next one.